Welcome back to Animal Vlog USA, the channel where we explore the beauty, power, and mystery of wildlife from around the world. Today's video takes us deep into the heart of a breathtaking forest where nature reveals one of its most powerful stories: survival. In this environment, every creature plays a role, every movement has meaning, and every moment is a test of strength, intelligence, and determination. The deep forest is not just a beautiful landscape filled with tall trees and flowing rivers, it is a living world where animals rely on their instincts, speed, and teamwork to survive. As the golden sunlight filters through the tall trees, we witness an incredible sight. A pack of wolves moves confidently along the forest trail. Their movements are perfectly synchronized, almost like a well-trained team working toward a shared goal. Wolves are among the most intelligent and strategic animals in the wild. They hunt, travel, and live together in groups known as packs, and this teamwork is one of their greatest strengths. Each wolf has a role, from leaders guiding the pack to younger members learning the skills needed for survival. Their sharp eyes scan the forest carefully, and their quiet footsteps allow them to move through the wilderness without drawing attention. This powerful unity is what makes wolves such successful hunters and survivors in the wild. Watching these wolves in motion feels almost like observing a perfectly engineered system. Just as a high-performance machine relies on precision and coordination, wolves depend on communication and strategy. They use body language, scent, and sound to stay connected with one another. This natural teamwork helps them protect their territory and support each other during hunts. In the wild, strength alone is not enough. Intelligence and cooperation often determine which animals thrive and which struggle to survive. Not far from this forest trail, another powerful moment unfolds near a quiet river. A majestic lion emerges from the water with a freshly caught fish in its mouth. Water splashes around its strong legs as it steps onto the sandy riverbank. The lion is often called the king of the jungle, and scenes like this remind us why. Its muscular body, confident posture, and focused gaze show the raw strength and authority of a true predator. Although lions are usually known for hunting larger animals on open plains, this moment shows the adaptability of wildlife. In nature, animals must take advantage of every opportunity to find food, and sometimes that means hunting in unexpected ways. The lion's powerful stride and calm confidence show how experience and strength combine to make it one of the most respected predators in the animal kingdom. Every hunt requires patience, timing, and precision. A single mistake can mean losing a meal or wasting valuable energy. In the wild, survival depends on efficiency, and animals like lions have evolved to balance power with strategy. Their sharp senses allow them to detect movement from far away, while their strong muscles help them react quickly when the moment to hunt arrives. As we continue deeper along the forest trail, we encounter a fascinating and rare sight. A wolf and a cheetah appear to be walking side by side along the path. It's a moment that captures the imagination and highlights the diversity of wildlife in this environment. The wolf represents endurance, intelligence, and teamwork, while the cheetah symbolizes speed and precision. Known as the fastest land animal on Earth, the cheetah can accelerate with incredible speed, reaching remarkable velocities in just a few seconds. Its slender body, long legs, and flexible spine are perfectly designed for high-speed chases across open terrain. Seeing these two animals together reminds us that every species in nature has unique abilities that help it survive. The wolf relies on cooperation and stamina, often chasing prey over long distances until it becomes exhausted. The cheetah, on the other hand, depends on explosive bursts of speed to catch its prey quickly before it escapes. These different strategies show how nature creates balance within the ecosystem. Each animal occupies a special role, helping maintain the delicate harmony of the forest and surrounding landscapes. Moments like these make the deep forest one of the most fascinating environments on our planet. From the coordinated movements of wolf packs to the powerful presence of lions and the unmatched speed of cheetahs, every creature contributes to the incredible story of life in the wild. Nature's design is both beautiful and efficient, shaped by millions of years of evolution and adaptation. Every hunt, every step, and every interaction between animals reflects the constant challenge of survival. For wildlife lovers and nature enthusiasts, experiences like this are priceless. While the beauty of the forest cannot truly be measured with a price tag, wildlife adventures and guided safari experiences in similar environments around the world can range from around $500 for basic tours to several $1,000s for luxury wildlife expeditions. These journeys allow people to witness nature's wonders up close, capturing unforgettable moments just like the ones we explored today. The deep forest continues to inspire awe and respect for the natural world. It teaches us that strength comes in many forms: speed, intelligence, cooperation, and adaptability. As we watch these animals move through their environment, we are reminded that nature operates with its own rules and rhythms. Every creature is part of a larger story, a story of courage, balance, and life itself. Thank you for joining us today on Animal Vlog USA as we explored this incredible journey into the wild. If you enjoyed this experience and want to see more amazing wildlife stories, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. The wild world is full of extraordinary moments, and we can't wait to bring you even more adventures from nature's most fascinating places. Welcome back to Animal Vlog USA, the channel where we explore the beauty, power, and mystery of wildlife from around the world. Today's video takes us deep into the heart of a breathtaking forest where nature reveals one of its most powerful stories of survival. In this environment, every creature plays a role, every movement has meaning, and every moment is a test of strength, intelligence, and determination. The deep forest is not just a beautiful landscape filled with tall trees and flowing rivers, it is a living world where animals rely on their instincts, speed, and teamwork to survive. As the golden sunlight filters through the tall trees, we witness an incredible sight. A pack of wolves moves confidently along the forest trail. Their movements are perfectly synchronized, almost like a well-trained team working toward a shared goal. Wolves are among the most intelligent and strategic